I got the problem. My clean clothes machine is error. It's because my clothes it's not clean right now, so I call the repairman to maintain my washing machine. I have no solution because I don't understand how to repair this, and the solution, I give to Mr. Repairman. Actually, I was try to repair this, but I can't. Because I do not understand about the washing machine. That is repairman. After I check my washing machine, I think the problem is the red bit the cable, pew of cable. There is a proof that I think mouse was to eat my cable, and it's a proof again. And the repairman say to me that the tool is not complete to repair my washing machine, and he go to complete his tools. So finally my washing machine already, and my wife is not angry to me again because it was okay. It's already. Maybe I will to try. Oops. Okay. It's work. Okay, I think it's my story, my report to Mr. David. Thank you.